Hello, my fellow traders. Welcome once again for our weekly market recap and market outlook. Here we normally do, we'll be looking into DXY. We're also looking at uh, Euro USD. We also look at pounds USD. We look at US30. We look at S&P 500, and we look at Nasdaq, and last but not the least, we also look at the gold. Guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, hit the subscribe button. All right, that's out of the way. Let's head into the charts. Uh, First off, we will starting with DSY. As usual, we will starting with DSY. Uh, our DSY. We start with DSY. Yeah. Um, like this week that just ended today, um, I was really bullish on DXY and bearish on foreign currency. Um, this is the weekly charts. Okay, so I was expecting we push higher, but well, we price open below the close, and since beginning of the week, couple with see, sometimes you have the analysis correct, but one market sentiment will automatically shift market direction. Like as we normally had this week of 1st of October, US government shutdown, so kind of everything is on standstill right now. Um, so we will be kind of uh, cautious this week, going forward until when things normalize. We will kind of very cautious of market before things are not normalized. Like DSY on daily time frame, actually from the beginning of the week, when I did the previous week analysis, I said I was expecting this inversion fair value gap on daily to act as a support, but price never did that. Price blew through it and then tested this 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, then uh, blew through it, but went through this my second expectation of price. So this weekly fair value gap that turned to inversion fair value gap is holding the price, and 0.62 of this market range is holding price. So if you're looking at these charts as it is now on a daily time frame, it really kind of see a kind of a retracement, but this is actually a deeper retracement. So if you look at it on this daily chart, you will say, okay, you will still be bullish. You will be expecting price to just like come to here as it's retesting this one. This one is acting as a there from here to move forward. So, but the condition of market right now, especially in regards to US shutdown, and yeah, especially the US shutdown. So I think I will be very more cautious and buying a DSY. I will be very more cautious buying DSY. Or even if there is opportunity to like maybe intraday trading or stuff like that. So be on kind of on a sideline to watch your price action. At least let's see for what will happen on the market. So DXY going to this week, I will be caution. I will be caution because of market US government shutdown, and I will be bullish on DXY, but I will be very cautious, reduce the risk, cut the position more lower going forward. That is for DXY. Then let's head to Euro USD. On Euro USD, uh, like I said, I'm bullish. I was bullish on DXY, but bearish in foreign currency. Okay, look at the same expectation, the same price action we had on DXY. So price came back with testing this 0.62 retracement, tap into this fair value gap, tap into the fair value gap. Oh, sorry, price tap into this fair value gap. Yeah, another this fair value gap, and keep respecting this 0.62. Mm. So markets open on Monday, 29th of September, rally on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, I said, okay, probably we have made a high of the week on Tuesday, but when price the price action on a lower time frame didn't give me the structural weight. So on Wednesday, we had this biggest swipe clearing this previous day. That was a Tuesday high. So when we are bearish, so we'll be expecting the high of the week to form either on Tuesday or Wednesday. So within these 2 days, I was kind of expecting a high of the week to form so that I will sell, especially if I'm like on a weekly chart, if I'm bearish in the case of Euro USD now. So I will be expecting high of the week to form on Tuesday or on Wednesday. So these are my expectations. So, but market actually did form a high of the week on Tuesday here, on Wednesday, or rather. So I entered this trade on a lower time frame. I entered the trade. I think the trade on yeah, this is where I entered the trade. So I saw the trade. I entered the trade on that Wednesday. Uh, price immediately dropped, then came back on Wednesday, drop again, creating clearing all these sell side here. After I clear all these sell side, then so I was still expecting the market to still dropping, but due to unforeseen circumstances, um, market came back and take me out of break even. So I'm 0-0 this week. So I will be expecting going forward. I will be expecting. I'm still bearish on foreign currency. So I'm still bearish on foreign currency, pending when I see uh, any other uh, price action. But on a weekly chart, there is on especially on this pair, there is what I'm kind of concerned. Uh, like this uh, weekly volume imbalance. So I'm really concerned about it. And if you watch price action now, we see like we have a break of structure, then we are retesting this support. So it's really kind of dicey right now. You see what I'm saying? So it seems like market just rally, then come back to this level, retesting this level, tap into this other block, then rejecting 50% of this fair value gap that take care price. See the way he rejected this fair value, tested it the first time, the first time, this is the second week he's testing it, the 50% of look at the 50%. So seeing like price wanted to test here again, then begin to rally up. But you can't predict what will happen on weekly time frame. So I will be very more cautious going to this week to trade. And also, I think there is a FOMC meeting that is coming up on Wednesday. So I will be kind of very cautious this week uh, into Euro USD. Then pounds USD, exactly the same thing that happened. So bearish. Um yes. So on Monday we rally, Tuesday we rally, on Wednesday we make a high of the week. Then price drop on Wednesday. I think it dropped like almost 100 pips or thereabout. So in a week, 100 pips is kind of more than enough for you in a week. If you can cash 100 pips in a week, that is fantastic. So this week on pounds USD, look, I don't know, as the way price action look like, it does not look like what I expect in a price action to look like. On weekly time frame, it doesn't look, even on daily time frame, mm, doesn't look. I was expecting this load to be taken out and go to this monthly fair value gap. So, but price, what he's doing now, I'm not comfortable with it at all. I'm not comfortable with that. So that will be that for. I'll be caution going into this government shutdown. So I'm very, very extreme caution, watching price closely. Then we go to US 30. Okay, let me start with Nasdaq. Um, hmm, okay, this is a Nasdaq. Um, like I did explain last week that I'm expecting this 22th of 22nd of September high to be taken out, and price exactly did that. So we took out the high. So this is Monday. We open, we rally up. Then Tuesday, um, we did took out the high. What day was that? On Wednesday. So I did expect price to take out this. As it is here now, let me check on weekly time frame. As the price on weekly time frame is indecisive to me right now. Is indecisive. Had it been that is close above this previous week, had it been close above it, I will continue to be bullish. But he swiped over them, rejected it. So I'll be caution on weekly time frame on Nasdaq. Then on daily time frame, As it is now, I will be watching. There is levels I will be watching. One of them is this. So this other block now. So this other block, I will be watching this other block here. Okay. So from this high to this low. So the 50%. So if price want to continue going up, I wouldn't want him to close below this 50%. So if he wanted to go up, I wouldn't want him to uh, let me say like this. Don't close below this level. So I would not want him to close below this level if I'm bullish. But as price action like this look like is bullish the way it looks like. So um uh, this Nasdaq, you can also agree with me that the government shutdown also affected it also. So and this is not actually the nicest price action you would have expect. Okay, then this fair value gap here is another level to watch too. This fair value gap here. Okay, this fair value gap. Okay, this is another level to be watched. So and so price can excuse me, price can easily come back here. Price can just do like this, come like this, then use this, continue to go up, or you can also come like this, get to this level, then continue to go up. So these are the little, this is kind of thing I'm expecting. Or you can from here, if market shut down continue and there is so much uncertainty and rest of that, so you can continue going down. You can from here continue to go down and come to this our weekly fair value gap. You can continue to go down. If you continue, if you break up, if this expectation did not hold, if price didn't continue this expectation, so we'll be expecting this weekly fair value gap. We'll be expecting the weekly fair value gap. But if that didn't happen, then our expectations still remain bullish. So, so these are my expectation on daily time frame. Weekly is not clear. Then daily, this is what I will be expecting. Every day, my expectation is that. Then the okay S&P 500. Definitely. Um, I think there will be some form of at least a little bit on S&P 500. So I'll still be expecting this also. So if we are bullish, if price wants to go up, I wouldn't want him to close below this 50% level. So I want price to come down a little bit and use this to go up. Or if that didn't happen, so we should expect price to like we should expect him to like uh, come and tap these two nice sell side liquidity. So price can easily just come over here, okay, and tap into this weekly. Maybe from there we can go up. So this is my expectation on S&P 500. Then US 30, US 30, US 30 has been throughout this week. It has been every day closer bullish. Every day we have been running bullish this day. So my expectation also the same. So these three assets they always move in tandem. So I'll be expecting probably little retracement from here on daily. On weekly, I will not be looking at weekly. The weekly chart price action is not what I would want to see. Okay, let me see weekly on this. So it is what it is. Um, so if price can come here, then use this to pump price up. Then good has been on a running has been running without a break or this one. So like previous week, I was like kind of expecting a little bit retracement. You see the reason why you don't short, you don't try to short the top, like don't don't predict the top. So I was expecting price. I say like okay, I will expect price to use this as this fair value gap as a support as a resistance rather. So break below this fair value gap, they use that to come down, then take out this. We had this beautiful sell side liquidity there, but price never did that. So throughout this week, it has been flying without stopping. It has been flying. So this has been flying. Okay, it has been flying. Mhm. So price use this level to continue to go up. All right, that will be all now. If you are new to this channel, subscribe. Take care. Bye bye. All right.